Hello students, welcome back to science class. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the properties of the ethanol. Because students, there are two chemical compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid, whose properties are to be discussed in the chapter. Rest we have discussed. Now the second topic is the properties of ethanoic acid. Now what is ethanoic acid? It falls in the carboxylic acid, group of carboxylic acid. Its molecular formula is CH3COOH and its structure formula is this. This ethanoic acid is generally known as acetic acid, which is in the group of acids carboxylic acid. 5 to 8% acetic acid in water forms vinegar, which is a common preservative used in the pickles. Now the original ethanoic acid, pure ethanoic acid, has a melting point of 290 Kelvin. So in winter it gets freezes. So it is also known as glacial acetic acid. This ethanoic acid is also known as glacial acetic acid because the pure ethanoic acid get freezes during the winter. Now students, and it is the group of organic compounds containing acid, carboxylic acid. But it is a weak acid as compared to HCl because HCl is fully ionized. But this is ethanoic is not an ionized acid, so it is a weak acid. Now we come to the chemical reactions of acetic acid. This ethanoic acid or acetic acid. First is esterification reaction. First is esterification reaction means formation of the ester. Now students, in this reaction, the acids react with alcohol to form ester. The acid react with alcohol to form ester. In this reaction, ethanoic acid is reacting with ethanol. This is ethanoic acid and this is ethanol. They both react to form ester. Now students, what is ester? Ester is a sweet smelling substance. It is often used in the perfumes and in many flavoring things to add the flavor to the many things. So this is known as the ester. But this reaction does not stop here. If the ester is get reacted with sodium hydroxide, a base, again what is formed? Ethanol is formed. When this ester get reacted with sodium hydroxide, again ethanol is formed. This reaction is known as the saponification. What is known as this reaction is known as the saponification reaction because this is used in the formation of the soaps. What are the soaps? Soaps are the sodium or potassium salts of long chain of carboxylic acids. So when the ester get reacted with a base sodium hydroxide, again ethanol is formed and a salt of acetate, sodium acetate is formed. This reaction is known as the saponification reaction because this process is used in the formation of soap. Soaps are what are soaps? Sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. So this was the esterification reaction, formation of the ester. Second is reaction with a base. Right students? When ethanoic acid reacts with a base. Now students, you know that sodium hydroxide is a base. This is a base. So what is formed? The salt of this acid and water is formed. What is this salt? This is sodium acetate. This is sodium acetate. When ethanoic acid reacts with a base, the salt of this acid, sodium acetate and water is formed. This is the reaction with a base. Now third reaction is reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. We have taken sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Both will react with ethanoic acid, and both will give the salts of this acid, sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Whenever the ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates or hydrogen carbonates, the salts will form, water and carbon dioxide gas will form. Here we have given the reaction with sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. In both the cases, sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide is formed. So these were the three reactions of ethanoic acid. First was esterification reaction, in which we also did the saponification reaction, which is used in the formation of the soaps. Second, we did the reaction with a base. We took the base sodium hydroxide, so the salt of sodium acid, sodium acetate is formed and water is produced. Next reaction was reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. For this reaction, we took sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. In both the cases, sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide gas is produced. So these were all the physical and chemical properties of the ethanoic acid, whose molecular formula is C3COOH and its common name is acetic acid. When acetic acid 5 to 8% is dissolved in water, it forms vinegar, which is common preservative in all the pickles. It is also known as the glacial acetic acid because its melting point is 290 Kelvin and it freezes in the winter. So student, that was all for today's lecture and all about the properties of the ethanoic acid. Next topic we will discuss in the next lecture. Take care. Till then, be happy, be at home and safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.